In this video, we're going to go through a brief example of taking a Figma and converting this to a working code without us doing anything. We're going to be using the Blackbox AI agent, and we just simply provide the Figma design link, and this will open up the Blackbox web IDE where you can have it in the cloud without you having to install anything locally. So it doesn't require you to do any local installations. And now this is through the web. We can see the code starts to be executed. This is the image of the design. It's now being implemented with proper styling. So it will be following the same provided display, and it's starting here. It made an initial plan. It's starting with the layout of the main page, and in a few seconds we should be able to get an initial version of a working code for this Figma design. And this would be the complete front-end implementation of the code for the Figma design, and we can plug it to a backend, continue building the product around it. So here it's close to running it. It's setting it up on a port. We can preview the application inside the IDE, or also if we want to open it completely in the browser, we can see the implementation that was done, the side navigation, proper modern icons, proper styling, matching